Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 4 together. In part A, we must expand and simplify 2 plus 1 over 2x, all raised to the power 5. For the power 5, the binomial coefficients come from Pascal's triangle. The row we need is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. These multiply each term as the power on 2 goes down and the power on 1 over 2x goes up. Writing every term in turn. 2 to the 5 plus 5 times 2 to the 4 times 1 over 2x plus 10 times 2 cubed times 1 over 2x squared plus 10 times 2 squared times 1 over 2x cubed plus 5 times 2 times 1 over 2x to the 4th plus 1 over 2x to the 5th. Simplifying every term gives 32 plus 40 over x plus 20 over x squared plus 5 over x cubed plus 5 over 8 x to the 4th plus 1 over 32 x to the 5th. That completes part A. In part B, we use the first 4 terms of this expansion to estimate 2.05 raised to the power 5. The trick is to choose x so that 2 plus 1 over 2x equals 2.05. That means 1 over 2x is 0.05, so 2x is 20, and x equals 10. Now substitute x equals 10 into the first 4 terms. We get 32 plus 40 over 10 plus 20 over 100 plus 5 over 1000. That is 32 plus 4 plus 0.2 plus 0.005, which adds up to 36.205. So 2.05 to the power 5 is approximately 36.205, which is very close to the true value. Well done. That's question 4 complete.